So one more example along these lines. I have my function f of x equals x plus 3 times x squared minus 2, and I'm really not in the mood to go through and multiplying these two things together. So I'm just going to say, well, I've got u times v. So we're going to take u times v as our function. We're going to take our derivative. So when we get f prime of x by this formula, remember, that meant that we were going to take the derivative of u times function v plus the derivative of v times function u. So putting this together, f prime of x is going to be u prime. Well, u is x plus 3, so u prime is 1 times v. So we've got x squared minus 2 plus v prime. Well, what's v prime? V is x squared minus 2, so v prime is 2x. And we've got the quantity x plus 3 is u. So now let's simplify this. 1 times x squared minus 2. Well, that's just x squared minus 2. Plus, now let's see, multiply this through. We're going to get 2x squared plus 6x. And so putting everything together like terms, we get our derivative. F prime of x in simplified form is going to be 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. Okay, so we're asking to find the equation of a line tangent to the graph of f at the given point. So our given point is negative 2, 2. What does that mean? Well, on this graph, then, we want to find the slope and the equation of a line passing through this point. So we've got our x1, y1 set up right here, right? x1 is equal to negative 2, y1 is equal to 2, right? So when we use our formula, y minus y1 is equal to the slope m times x minus x1. Well, what's our slope m? Well, our slope m is the value of the derivative at the point. So we're going to evaluate this at x equals negative 2. So that's 3 times negative 2 squared plus 6 times negative 2 minus 2. That's going to give us 3 times 4, so that's 12. Minus 6 times 2, that's 12. Minus 2. And so our value right here is, well, negative 2. 12 minus 12 minus 2. F prime of 2, that's also our slope. So if we make the substitution into our point slope formula, we're going to get the equation of our line. Y minus 2 is equal to negative 2 times x minus negative 2. Well, that's x plus 2. We're going to treat it that way. Let's rewrite this one more time. We're going to get y minus 2 is equal to negative 2x minus 4. And then adding 2 to both sides gives us the equation y is equal to negative 2x minus 2. Now I've gone ahead and graphed this below and plotted what I thought was my tangent line. And well, lo and behold, it kind of looks like the line y equals negative 2x minus 2, where we have a y-intercept here at 0, negative 2, and a slope of negative 2. If we go over to the right one, we have to go down 2. Well, yeah, sure, there it is. So that's the equation of our tangent line based on this function. Pretty good, right?